So next we will understand types of resources. As we know that there are three types of resources: natural, human made, human resources. So what is natural resources? The resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. They are obtained from soil, water, land and mines, etc. These resources may be further classified on the basis of their level of development and use, origin, stock and distribution. Students, here we can see the classification of natural resources. So, on the basis of origin, it is classified into biotic and abiotic resources, and on the basis of utility, it is classified into renewable and non-renewable resources, and on the basis of level of development, it is classified into potential and actual resources, and last, on the basis of distribution, it is classified into local and ubiquitous resources. Now all these resources we will understand in details. So first we will see on the basis of origin, that is biotic resources and abiotic resources. So biotic resources which come from living beings are called biotic resources, and examples are milk, leather, timber and many more. Next is abiotic resources. Resources which come from non-living sources are called abiotic resources, and the examples of abiotic resources are soil, rocks and minerals. Next classification of natural resources is on the basis of utilities, and this is renewable resources and non-renewable resources. So renewable resources, these resources can be renewed or replenished with human efforts or activity. However, some are unlimited in nature and may not be affected by human use. Example: wind energy, solar and hydel energy. Soil and forest, water, although are renewable resources, but careless use of these can turn them into depletion. Misuse and pollution of these resources may become a scarce resource in future. Here you can see the example of renewable and non-renewable energy. Next is non-renewable resources. These resources are limited in nature and their rate of formation is extremely slow. Hence, once they are used, they take thousands or at times millions of years to be renewed for future use. Examples are coal, oil, petroleum and natural gas, etc. Next classification of natural resources on the basis of development and use, that is actual resources and potential resources. Actual resources whose quantity is known and which are being used as present are called actual resources. Example: coal and petroleum. Potential resources. These are the resources whose quantity is not known and these may not be used in present. Example of this type of resources are uranium reserves in Ladakh, petroleum in West Asia, plateau in Maharashtra. Next classification of natural resources is based on distribution, that is ubiquitous resources and localized resources. Ubiquitous resources which are available everywhere on the earth. These are called ubiquitous resources. Example: air and water. And localized resources, these resources are found in a specific region of the earth. Example: coal mines in Jharkhand and oil found in West Asia.